Here I've got Motorola One Vision, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number on the following device. So at first, this is the first method. You have to open the phone dealer and now enter a secret code, which is *#06#. And here you can read both IMEI numbers and also serial number assigned to your Motorola One Vision. Tap on OK to go back, and then you can also find these numbers through the settings. So just open the list of all apps at first, then locate and go to the settings, scroll down, choose About Phone, and now under Model and Hardware you will find serial number of your device right here, and then a bit lower you've got both IMEI numbers assigned to this Motorola One Vision. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.